Alright, yep. So I'm gonna talk about my trades today. Today was Monday. It's kind of late, so that's why you can see Asia session already went through. But we're gonna go ahead and skip to start of the day. So start of the day. This is already 8 o'clock. So as we can see, we had expansion on Friday, and then we just kind of stopped on Monday. We can expect a retracement on the day, but also if we after we retrace, you can expect more continuation expansion. Now, one thing I did note about today is that we have this Thursday, Monday crack with last week, so week to week between Dow and the other two. But we obviously don't have anything to confirm that. So then lower time frame, obviously chop. We have a daily cycle going lower. And so then after that, there's 9:30. Um, we swapped the low on Dow and sweep the low on other two. And then we had a little bit of expansion after that. And we also had Trump speaking at 10 o'clock, so that was news at 10 a.m., but it was only orange folder, so it wasn't too much. So as you can see, right here's our range, high to low, and then here was the closure. Here's 9:40, right? Then we closed higher, dipped down, went higher. Another pullback at 10, expansion, hit new week opening gap. And then I don't think we went higher than that. Yep, and then that was pretty much it. Oh, never mind. We did sweep all these highs. We swept all those highs, and then after that we just fell off. And by the way, this is PM session, so all what really matters for us is till 11 o'clock. So, because 11 o'clock is when you would close anyway. So that's pretty much what matters. So clearly we had no expansion, just manipulation the whole AM session. It's pretty unfortunate because we had a lot of expansion, I guess, on Dow, manipulated on NQ, yes, but that's okay because at least we saved profits. So pretty much here's what happened. So the first trade for me was at exactly 9:30. So I'm going to show you guys these two. So here's the first one, and I took another one. So I'm going to show you guys this first one. So let's go ahead and go to 9:30. So there's 9:30 open. Bam. You can see we wicked up. Right there is that plain good old microcycle. This was on my eval for what is it called? For MFF. And then I did 3R TP and 3R TP, and it hit 3R. So that was my quick leave, as you can see right there. Bam, on the 1 minute as well. Closed below, I left, and that's that. So that was the first one, right? Real quick, and after that, my next trade. Well, I guess I'll just leave it there. And my next trade was waiting for 9:45 expansion. Also, another cherry on top, which is the real reason why I entered that 1 minute, is because you can see that 15-minute dipped up there and swept it, along with Dow as well. So I kind of knew the Dow was gonna go down to the slow. So I was like, all right, we're gonna see like a quick pull lower. We might not take the slow, but we're definitely gonna go lower initially. That's why I was like, all right, let me just take that 9:31. It's real quick, and on an eval, it's worth the risk. It was a good one. I liked it a lot. Anyway, so after that, we got 9:40, right? It was 9:40 close. We created high-low, first 15-minute range, and from here, I was just waiting, like, all right, I want to close above this the range. Right here, we closed higher, and I believe that's where I entered on my Top Step X. So yeah, so I entered on Top Step X, and as you guys can see, that's quite unfortunate. So I entered at 10 o'clock exactly. So I'm going to show you guys that exactly. So look, right here. I pretty much entered. So you see this one of tire, right? And the close of this was 10 o'clock. So I entered right there because it's the candle that broke through. And then I put a long in. By the way, I entered on M and Q. So this is, I guess I can go now. Whoops, that's not M and Q. M and Q. Alright, there you go. So I entered on M and Q. And I initially, I believe my first one was a buy, yeah. Yep. So I bought over here. Just like that. Stop loss was right there, I believe. Yeah. And so then, what pretty unfortunate, I pretty much got wicked out. You see, there's, anyway, whatever. Target those highs, you know. I think 3 hour. Yeah, there you go. So then I got swept out by this candle, and literally I guess I didn't wait for retracement, but I'm not mad at all about it. It's just got wicked out. Unfortunate. Very rare that you get wicked out like this. But here's the thing. Micro had this wick. If you look on the mini, it didn't have it. So on the mini, the same trade would be, see, so here's that gap. Stop loss would be right there. So it wouldn't have taken me out on the mini. But obviously I'm not going to trade the mini. So it is what it is. You know what happens. So quite unfortunate there because they definitely would have delivered. I don't know if it would deliver all the way, but I would definitely go break even or leave in a better position because I would tweak out about this high and then take a partial or something, or even get a re-entry. But yeah. Oh no, never mind. It would just chop up now to the left, but it's okay. I'm not really mad about that one. The day was bad and it wicked me out, and I'm fine with that because although I got wicked out, the beauty of it is that um I didn't take any more after that because I was just done. Because like after that, it's like, all right, if you're entering, then you're entering not really using that orb anymore, and the retracement already happened. So anyway, so my last trade, so that was this one where I got stopped out. So then I took that loss. You can see 369 loss. So honestly, dude, so far it wasn't that bad of a month on this account really for August, but it's just fine. It's whatever. Just gonna break even, but we'll see how tomorrow goes. Anyway, back to the eval. So I took this trade right here. I entered on the actual NQ, so I don't get wicked out stupidly. So I'm gonna show you guys that one real quick. Um, so I entered right over here. My stop loss was down here, and then I took profits. So then, in this case, I saw us just pull back, and we were just shopping around, and I left in this candle because I was like, we're pulling back, it's whatever, yada yada. So I left it like 1.5 RR. So I'm not really mad about it, to be honest. Like, I'll just take the 1.5 because I had 1 to 3 here, so 4R on the day. So then I went from let me check, what is this, 1429, 1429. That's not bad. So halfway on the eval, I can definitely pass it with a couple more just solid normal basic trades. So chilling on there. So those are the two, I guess 3 for the day, but in reality it's 2 for the day. And that's it. And yeah, adios.